Hello everyone. Today we will see how to work with ISOWEEKNUM function in Excel. So let's start. This is our dataset. Here we can see different dates from January 1, 2024 to January 21, 2024. I've taken a small dataset. So what ISOWEEKNUM function does? ISOWEEKNUM function returns the number of week that ISO follows. As we know, ISO means International Standard Organization. So out of, as we know, there are 52 weeks in a year. So it will return, ISOWEEKNUM function will return the number of week that this organization follows. And this organization takes Saturday and Sunday as weekends. So these are two important points. uh, let's work with ISOWEEKNUM function. So here you will see the function. Double click on it, the function will be enabled. Then select the date, closing bracket, enter. Now if I drag across, you can see uh, here you can see all this data from this one to this one, week number 1. Then from this date, week number 2 has started, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then week number 3 has started, and it will continue accordingly. Let's prove this now. Click this date and go to January 2024. January 2024. Now we can see that date number 1, the first day in this year started from Monday. And as we know, Saturday and Sunday was our weekends, and Monday is the first day of the week. That's why from Monday it is showing week number 1. Then 7 days gone. Then this is another Monday. Then second week continued, and it continued accordingly. Now if I use on this data, then it will be more clear to all of us. Let's apply this function again. ISOWEEKNUM, select this, enter. Now we can see January 1 and January 2nd. See, this year is 2022. We have taken the same data range, that is January 1 to January 21, but in a different year, that is 2022. And here we can see January 1 and 2 is week number 52, that is last year's week, and January 3rd, this year's week number started. So why this happened? To see this, let's click on this and go to January 2022. Okay, we are on January 2022. Here we can see date number 1 started from Saturday, and as we know that Saturday and Sunday is our weekends according to ISO. So date number 1 and date number 2 is Saturday and Sunday, and from Monday is our week number 1 according to ISO. So from January 3, week number 1 started, and that's why January 3, week number 1 started, and the previous 2 days are that these 2 days belong to last year's uh, week number. Okay, and it continued like this. So this is how we can work with ISOWEEKNUM function in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.